Hello friends, welcome to my channel.
Today we are making lettuce and veg rice paper rolls. It's something new and I think not everyone will like it, but it's worth trying. Here, the rice paper, spring onions, capsicums, carrots and onions. Chop all the ingredients for stuffings. So here we are making veg rice paper rolls. Here I'm using oregano 1 packet which I got from Domino's. Salt to taste. Black pepper. Sesame seeds roasted. Lots of mayonnaise. Hot and sweet tomato sauce. Mix them well. Stuffing is ready. Now we'll wet our rice papers. I'm keeping it ready. Put your fillings on the lettuce. Now wrap it, or I couldn't wrap it properly. I will make a few more. It tastes surprisingly good. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel. Please like and share my video.